A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true.
If you want to learn this edit, come with me. From Add Overlay section, we add our image. Go to the Blend section and set it to Overlay.
And if it's not enough,
and set its opacity to 88. We drag the image of the moon to the end of the main clip. Go to the Add Overlay section again, and this time add our background video.
Twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever when I can't hold you.
Go to the Adjust, go to the Graphs.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Select the image of the moon and then go to the mask and select the circle mask. You will see a flash under the mask. We will use it to reduce the opacity.
But if in time it's yesterday,
go to the Adjust. Set the brightness to 18 minus. The contrast to 14.
The world is waiting half a step beyond.
Set the exposure to 14. Set the sharpen to 100. Go to the Graphs.
I wanna take it.
Then go to the HSL section and you can change the color you want of the background. Because most of our background color is orange and red, I have to change the orange and red and yellow colors from the HSL section. Go to the Graphs. We change the colors of the graphs so much that we get the color we want.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Set the shadow to 24 minus. Set the temperature to 49. After changing the graphs, you need to change the contrast and brightness again. We will change until it matches to your video.
I was hoping for. Is it possible that you want more? I just want you for myself. You had to leave early, and I didn't even have your number. I was afraid to never see you again. Give it all to my baby, all to my baby, all to my baby.
Go to the filter, set it to Brokeback Mountain. Here we don't select only the photo or video and apply the adjust changes on the entire video.
That's why it's hard for me to trust you another time. Give it all to my baby, all to my baby, all to my baby. Cause I trust you a little, trust you a little, trust you a little. I remember last time you said you slept with that other guy. That's why it's hard.
Go to the effects and go to the video effects.
Another time. My friends and
Select Snowing 2 effect and drag it to the entire video.
taken in the night. You are my eyes, the most desirable girl. You didn't give me the attention I was hoping for.
Select HDR effects and drag it to the entire video.
Stare deep into your eyes. You kiss me softly and strong from your.
Translation between two clips to show before and after. Go to the light effect and set it to light sweep 2. Go to the effects and then go to the body effects and go to the clone.
time you said you slept with.
Set it to Phantom.
It's hard for me to trust you another time. Give it all to my baby, all to my baby, all to my baby. 'Cause I trust you a little, trust you a little, trust you a little. I remember last time you said you slept with that other guy.
Then select Repeat Zoom from Video Effects section.
Another time.
Select Fault Cassette. Select Video Background and go to the animation. Then select the image of the moon and set the animation to unfold.
You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you, I'll stay beside you.
Select the Smart Sharpen effect for the end of the clip. So it is finished. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.